Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, also known as Dances with Pitbulls. Just here waiting on a few things to happen, like the dryer to go off and scare me. And my daughter's coming to pick me up. Let me see if she's texted. Nope, nothing yet. Okay. I bought these from Melissa at ACME Elfworks. Thank you, dryer. Thank you for going off. Now I'm done. Okay. So, I bought these from Melissa at ACME Elfworks. And I have some blocks, and let's make some. They're magnets. And I will take them to work or not. But I'll put them on my refrigerator. Where'd my magnets go? Oh, don't panic. Do not panic. Oh my God. I feel like I should make some with dinosaurs for Brody. Brody shares my dinosaur obsession, and he's way smarter than me. Dang. Really? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Look at me trying to get the magnets apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. That was painful. Painful, I say. So I guess first, let's get out the really big guns. This is the big guns. This is the really big guns. That's not how that works. How does that work? No. Oh, duh. Oof. Here she comes. I should put this on pause cam. I'm just not that smart. So we'll let them set for a second, and I'll show you where I got my goodies from. the lid. I believe it is the lid. It probably doesn't go like that, but I don't want to put it up yet, so. Okay. I had this, and I have had a blast picking through it for stuff, and I've been throwing all this metal stuff like that. It's not metal, but over into the box to glue onto things. So yeah. So I pulled, I can't stop. It's so addicting. Quit it. Get off there. See, I'll glue that to do my painting thing on. Make me stop. Make me stop. Okay. I pulled some stuff. See it laying over here? I think these will be okay. But first, I want to throw a little of the glitter Mod Podge on. Because, see it? I wish I had, almost wish I had some clown. I probably do. Mona's probably sent me some if I dug through my circus stuff, but I want that for my circus journal, so never mind. Mod Podge Extreme Glitter. You're supposed to stir it, but I'm going to shake. Shaken, not stirred. Okay, I need one brush. One brush. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'm going to a party. Okay, this is going to sound so weird. A party in honor of my dirty, rotten first husband, who, as you probably know, is deceased. And he was kind of a living legend around here because he really could play the guitar. He played lead guitar, and he could sing. So enough time has passed that people have forgotten what a jerky was. Or they just don't care anymore. And they're doing a party for him in his memory. So I'm going to go with my daughter, put in an appearance. Isn't that big of me? Oh my gosh. I don't know about this, but no, I want to go. I said I would go. I told the guy that was putting it on that I would go because he called me like a month ago, 2 months ago. Told me about it. So I'm going. I was hoping my youngest son could come and we could play some songs of his father's. but he can't come, so I don't know. If somebody has a guitar I could play, I might get up on the open mic and do something. I don't know. My voice, you know, I've had a cold and stuff, so I really don't want to be trying to sing in front of a bunch of people. And I don't want to stay long enough for them to all get drunk. So it wouldn't matter because I don't want to stay that long. I just want to go. We're going to go early and whatever. There may be pictures. I don't know. Pictures of me looking good. Looking good and alive. I don't know. I'm not bragging. I'm not bragging. But I look better than a dead person. I hope. I hope. Okay. Those are definitely very shiny. Definitely very sparkly. Ah. You will close. Because I say you will. Okay, I've had this thing forever. It used to light up, and I don't know. My friend Rusty gave it to me like, has to be 15 years ago. Maybe only 10. What is this, 2018? Oh, so it was probably... It was before I moved to Colorado. This is a iron-on. Like a tattoo. I have no idea where I got this. I think it was in a bag of stuff I got at the Encore shop. But I've always wanted to use that. Hey, why don't we do it that way? Why don't we? This I've had forever and a day. I got that way back when I lived on the farm out in Cissna Park. So this is probably 25 years old. This is a little domino I used alcohol inks on. This is a Tim Holtz paper doll. She looks very thick for some reason. Maybe I just haven't used them in a while. I forgot what they felt like. I think she's one of the Halloween ones that Kitty sent me. One key. And 2 keys. ¿Cómo dice keys en español? No sé cómo decir keys en español. There you have it. It's just that easy, people. Let me tell you what this is. Are you ready? This is number 100. 100, I say. And let me find my book. I think it fell. It did. Number 100 in the 100 Things Challenge. Write it like this. 100 magnets a la ACME Elfworks. Okay, which brings me to something special. I told you earlier, like when I was doing this cat box, that there was going to be something special when I did 100. Are you sitting down? I want you all to sit down. Sit down and get some hot tea because you're going to be shocked, okay? I'm doing a giveaway to celebrate the end of this challenge. And guess what I'm giving away? Can you guess? I'm giving away my moon journal. I kid you not. I thought about it. Yes, I love it. But tomorrow I will do a flip through on it. And this is what I'm giving away for the 100 Things Challenge finish. So I will also take it to work and scan all the pages, which I did with the Hemingway journal. So I'll have videos and I'll have scans and I'll have my memories. But this is what I decided. I decided this a while ago. And yeah. So I still have a few things to put in it. So I'm going to like put that in it, and what's her name? Amanda is giving me something, so I'll wait till that gets here. Well, okay, back up. Everybody just back up. I will pick the winner the Sunday after Thanksgiving. Okay? Whatever date that is. Let me look on my phone. And then I will mail out so I think Thanksgiving is on the 22nd. So on November 25th, we'll pick a winner. And then when Amanda's stuff gets here, then I will mail out the journal to the winner. Is that fair enough? So, yes. I love it, but I'm going to let it go. And you could be the lucky winner. All you got to do is leave a comment. That's it. So, if you would like to win this moon journal, please leave me a comment. We'll pick the winner November 25th. And look at my magnets. That one could go that way too. Why don't I just do this? Yes. So anyway, she says, please subscribe. I need friends. I need friends to share my cool stuff with. And let me tell you something else. I don't feel any great need to go shopping. So I'm going to continue with a new hashtag. My new hashtag is keep on making. And I'm going to keep on making stuff from my stash. Okay. So let's keep on making stuff. And I'll catch you next time.